This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Megan Donahue, and today we have attorney Chris Vonderau from the law offices of Chris Vonderau. Chris, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Megan.
You've spoken in the past about debt negotiations and bankruptcy, but your firm also handles traffic and criminal matters?
That's right. For the last number of years, we've been handling anything from speeding tickets all the way up to DWIs and low-level felonies. And so yes, we handle those matters.
Okay. Well, let's go to some of the viewer questions
Sure.
about DWI cases. Stephen in Castlehane asks, I was arrested for a DWI after blowing a .09 on the breathalyzer. Do I have a choice but to plead guilty?
You definitely have a choice. I would hire a competent attorney who can review your case. There are a lot of stages to a DWI case. First of all, the police officer has to have a reasonable suspicion to stop your vehicle. Then they have to have probable cause to arrest you. In some cases, these steps aren't followed properly, in which case the evidence, i.e. the .09 breathalyzer, does not come into the state's evidence, meaning that you're going to likely win that case.
Oh, okay. Rebecca in Wrightsville Beach asks, if I'm stopped and suspected of driving while impaired, what are my rights?
Well, you're obliged to provide your driver's license and your registration. You're not obligated to answer any questions. You're not obligated to do any of the roadside tests. And in fact, cases I've handled that have been successful involve people that follow the procedures I just mentioned. In other words, don't admit to anything.
Okay. Well, it sounds like it's a good idea to get a lawyer in these situations.
Very much so, yes.
Okay. Well, if you need more information, go to www.chrislegal.com.
This has been a WECT Business Break.